Hi, I'm Pauli.
Hey, I'm Jacob. And we're introducing you to the Adventure Challenge Couples Edition. This may look like a book, but it's definitely no ordinary book. Open it up, and inside, you'll be able to see that there's a lot of little gray squares. Scratch each one of those off, and it's actually a date idea to get you and your special one outside and exploring. You can also buy a camera to take instant photos, and then use those photos as memories and turn this book into a scrapbook. So should you buy this book? Well, let's see. We got the book here. We got the camera here, and we're gonna do our first date. And it actually is a rainy evening this evening, so we're gonna try to find a date that pertains to an activity that we can do indoors. So just flip to the front of the page and let's see, go down the list here, and I find the indoors. That's exactly what we want.
Yeah, I'm super excited.
And now we just have to look for the house emblem, like that one right there. So, you wanna do the scratch?
Yes.
Oh no, there's reading involved.
It says, make a home pie together. Easy said than done. I'm sorry, I don't get ready.
One of you must mix all the ingredients by yourself, blindfolded, while the other person gives instructions by leading with their hands.
This is so fun.
The leader can only use 3 directive sentences the whole time. The person with the least amount of cooking experience has to be the blindfolded mixer.
Who's that?
I don't know. Rock, paper, scissors, go.
Yes.
No!
Yeah.
Alright, so it looks like I'm going to be blindfolded while Pally gives me directions with her hands and only 3 sentences to get me to making a full pie. Well, let's get going.
Let's go.
Pally wants to do lemon, which I don't like. I want to do mango, which she doesn't like, so we're meeting in the middle and we're going with lime. We got everything bought and the rain's actually letting up, which is nice, but it is time to hit the kitchen and we are about to make the pie. And we're gonna change up the rules just a little bit. Pally doesn't know how to hold this camera, so she's gonna be the one blindfolded. And the rules also state that we should only use 3 sentences the entire process, but that won't be as fun because we need to also talk to you while we're here because that would be rude to ignore our guests. Have you found something to, oh, there it is. You got something to blind yourself with. There it is. We're gonna get you good. Maybe we'll have to leave it on for later tonight too.
Ooh.
Are you set?
Yeah.
What can you see?
Anything, I swear.
Look at her, she's walking perfectly. What a liar.
Oh, what the heck you want?
Combine the egg yolks, sweetened condensed milk, and lime juice. All right, you got a bowl right here. Yeah, you got that. Now we need to find you a cutting board. While Pally squeezes her limes, I'm gonna enjoy myself a little cookie.
Hey, I want to.
Now we have to do the egg yolks.
Yeah, it's going to be possible, I know that.
Here's a towel.
Thank you.
Right here, you have your eggs. Hey,
Oh no!
Alright, oh, there goes the...
No, wait, when? It's here?
Yeah, no, the yellow fell.
No! Okay.
We have our egg yolks. And we got our lime juice right here. Now, we need to weigh the condensed milk. You're out of the bowl, you're out of the bowl!
Oh.
You're out of the bowl, you're not in there! Oh wait, look at that mess! So now we have to mix it all together. At the Airbnb we're in, we can only find 1 pan and it's huge. It's like larger than my face, my whole head. It's massive, so not sure if the graham cracker crust is going to be able to cover the whole thing, but yeah, we'll see. Wow, I keep seeing lightning off in the distance. Whoa.
I can hear them, it's crazy.
Whoa.
Okay, can I see?
No, you can't see,
No,
Pally. Wow,
seriously?
you
No.
can't see.
Oh, take it.
Whoa, wow, that's crazy. You're getting there. It's getting like really crushed. Yeah, that's a good crust, a graham cracker crust right there. It's looking tasty. While that's cooking for the next 15 minutes, we're gonna tell you something that is the biggest downfall of this couple's book.
So we have the camera and we thought these were the paper for the camera. Or we thought it was paper. It's actually photos for you to get inspired. So we don't have any paper now. We need to go buy some.
Definitely a bit of a bummer because we just did the whole experience and we want to take the photo to put in the scrapbook there, which I guess we can take on our iPhone and then just print one out later. But yeah, it'd been nice just to have the film in the box and not be in the situation I need to go look for just another day. But that is the worst thing about this, but other than that, it's been a fun experience. Ooh la la, there it is.
It has a really good color.
Yeah. All right, it's the moment of truth. Yeah, it's got this perfect, just like tangy, acidic flavor, but I mean exactly what anybody would want from a lime pie. Ultimately, if Bally could cook this blindfolded, then you can cook this too. Well folks, we hope that you enjoyed coming along on our date and really hope that you got to know us just a little bit better. If you made it this far in the video, then definitely consider hitting that thumbs up button. We think you liked it. And if you want to come along on our next date or next adventure, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. See ya.